Hey there, welcome to NanoNet. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of branding: logos. Whether you're a business owner, a budding designer, or someone curious about design, this guide will walk you through the essentials of what makes a logo great. We'll cover the key elements of logo design, show some real-world examples, and by the end, you'll know what to look for in a strong logo design. A logo is much more than just a pretty picture. It's the face of a brand, helping to build recognition, communicate the essence of the business, and differentiate it from competitors. 5 key elements of a great logo. 1. Simplicity. The best logos are simple. Think of logos like Apple or Nike. They are clean and easy to remember. 2. Relevance. A logo should reflect the business it represents. For example, a tech company might use modern, sleek design elements, while a bakery might go for something warm and inviting. 3. Scalability. Your logo needs to look great at any size, from a tiny social media icon to a massive billboard. That's why vector logos are crucial. 4. Memorability. A great logo is unforgettable. It should be distinctive and instantly recognizable. 5. Versatility. Your logo should work across a variety of mediums. It should look just as good on your website as it does on your business card. The importance of color and typography. Color psychology: colors evoke emotions and have meanings. Blue often symbolizes trust, red signifies energy, and green represents growth. Typography. The font you choose plays a crucial role in your logo. A clean, readable font is essential. Common logo mistakes to avoid. Cluttered designs. Keep it simple. Too many details make the logo hard to read and remember. Overused trends. Avoid trendy designs that might not stand the test of time. Poor typography. Make sure the font is readable and complements the logo design. So, to sum it up, a great logo is simple, relevant, scalable, memorable, and versatile. Keep these elements in mind, and you'll be on your way to creating a fantastic logo for your brand or business. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more design tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What's your favorite logo, and why?